Beautiful, right? You know the vibe.
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What are them? Chatting.
Yes, guys, look at that. So, you don't know the vibe. So, we have a quick and easy ramen noodle video for you guys. And the star of the show, or teriyaki sauce, right? So, we're showing you guys in every way how these sauces are versatile, right? So, we have our franks here, you don't know, salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder mixture, and the ramen. So, the water is already coming to a boil in the back, so let's get on with it, right? Let's go. Yes, guys, in with this ramen, and these ramen cook really fast. So once the water is already boiling and you're adding it within 2 minutes, no joke, no exaggeration, 2 minutes, and these are cooked, right?
So we want this to be al dente?
Yes, but for your ramen, you know how long it takes to cook, so cook it within that time, firm and al dente, right? So when it's time to get on, so forward. Look at that, guys, these are ready, and I said 2 minutes and that's it. So we're going to drain the water and get on with the rest of it. Let's go. Yes, guys,
Just a little oil.
and you can leave it down below how you like your ramen and what are the additives that you use. But today, as we said before, the additive that we're using are franks, right? So if you use sausages, eggs, feel free to do so, right? You can use whatever you choose based on your personal preference.
That's a low budget breakfast. Quick, easy, and simple.
Delicious as well.
You don't have to ask about the part there.
Yes, guys.
I'm going to add some fresh garlic.
Yes, guys, that garlic flavor. Garlic, that's so amazing, guys.
And we over here, we love garlic.
It's always good to cook with the natural herbs and spices. It gives that burst of flavor.
Coming along with the
Noodles. Look at that. Beautiful, right?
And in order to get it glossy and so pretty, we use a little oil after strain it from the water and make it cool down. And the oil also prevents sticking together.
Some salt and pepper, guys.
Onion and garlic powder.
And feel free to try and make your ramen this way and tell us how you enjoy it. Alrighty. Toss that up in there.
You can use chicken, eggs,
Brown sausage,
anything else. Any protein you choose. Your choice.
or any other additives you want. So you know, if you want a little bit of corn in there, you know.
Yeah, add some kidney beans, some black beans. Now we're gonna add some teriyaki.
Yes, guys. These teriyaki sauces are very versatile, as I told you guys time and time again, right?
And this is an Asian inspired dish.
Beautiful.
So feel free to add whatever you like, but this is how we like it.
Yes, guys.
And remember to order a bottle. Go over by Globalist Interact and JA on the Instagram and place your order, guys. Or you can phone us. The number will be placed on the screen for the business number.
Yes, guys. The number will be placed on the screen for the business. I don't know what King says. too exciting, man.
Alright, so let's see what time it is. Ready
Yes,
this
guys.
ready. The only thing this shorter right now, guys, are some sesame seed. But before we go no further, we're going to look at the globalist interaction pepper sauce.
Yes, guys, right? All about that globalist interaction, JA, right?
Just to know. Because the
Yes,
sauce
guys.
hot in there, guys. So you have to.
And this is it, guys. Ready? This ready? So start dropping them comments. Was so forward, guys. This is how we are looking. You think we're done yet? We're not done yet.
So I can sprinkle a little pepper flakes, just a little.
And guys, I don't know if you're seeing the steam in the camera, but these are steaming.
Look at parsley flakes.
Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that.
That's about it.
And this is it. Nice and lovely, right? Remember, follow us on Instagram. We just might post these pictures over there. Remember, follow our business page, just Globalist Interaction JA, lowercases, no space. We'll put it on the screen, and we'll put the business number on the screen as well. So whichever sauces you see us use and you want them, you can just give us a DM and it's yours, right? Take a moment to admire that again and all the details. Yes, guys. Beautiful, right? You know the vibe. So what you have to say, Mr. King?
I don't know the bad chef them over here, so I'm gonna go over Chef Reed and Chef Alexander and take in the chef channel and subscribe. We'll do very detailed cooking over there, so you will learn a lot. And remember, stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Oh, at the end this. So until next time, bang, bang, boom.
We're out.